Top of the morning to you. What's poppin', YouTube? Retro family, good morning. Retro gang, you already know. It's your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Me and Maddie finna hit the road, but we still had to bring y'all this Vigi. Got the cap and gowns on that. You know, the Jordan 13s. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so y'all can see the barcode and everything. 10.5. No, this is not Retro and Maddie's pair. We got this pair from one of our retro family. They wanted this pair. We secured it for them. Me and Maddie used our discount. And voila. Let's unbox these things. Let's get into it real quick. Because me and Maddie got to get this lottery together for these breads. If you don't know, we got the bread giveaway. We lit. Let's get it. Let's unbox these now. Tell me what y'all think. I'm going to zoom in real quick for unboxing. So it's supposed to be going off the, I had mine too as well, the cap and gown, the Jordan 11s. Maddie still got her pair secured. I sold my pair, which I never did. But these 13s is, y'all tell me, gang. I know they might land up at the bottom right here. It's already looking like it's getting dirt on it. It's showing real good on my camera. Got the black here. I did notice they took away the hologram. You got the 23 here. Back, they try to, I guess, get off the, on like that gamma blue look. You got the blue, of course, you got the carbon fiber right here. Kind of make up your mind. Do know it retail for $200, and with tax, it's gonna be like $215, $216, depending on your neck of the woods. You know how your boy said. You got the Jumpman on the tongue here, of course. Got the tips right here, black. Let's get to the other shoe. Hey gang, y'all know we need y'all support, man. Once y'all go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, tell a friend and tell a friend. Please. Look at the back already ashing up on me. It's all good. Just gonna report it. Y'all tell me what y'all like, leave a comment. I stayed away from this particular pair. Too much heat coming out right now. I'm not saying I'm not going to double back and get it, but it's going to sit for now. It's going to collect some more dust for me. Even with my discount, I think I'm going to wait. Maybe the next year, man. There's a lot of stuff out right now. Like maybe going to like December, end of the year, probably catch another sale. So, a little quick dope unboxing. Keeping y'all linked in the forum as usual. Vigi not gonna be too long. Thank y'all for watching. We need to watch out what's up, gang. The lottery is on the way.